Engineering Matlab registered course introduces the students to the concepts of Matlab registered tools used in the solution of advanced engineering coursework, followed by engineering and technology students. Every chapter of this tutorial discusses the course material used to illustrate the direct connection between the theory and real-world applications encountered in the typical engineering and technology programs at most colleges. Every chapter has a section, titled Background, in which the basic concepts are introduced, and a section in which those concepts are tested, with the objective of exploring a number of worked-out examples that demonstrate and illustrate various classes of real-world problems and its solutions. The topics include continuous and discrete signals, sampling, communication signals, DC, direct current, analysis, transient analysis, AC, alternating current, analysis, Fourier series, Fourier transform, spectra analysis, frequency response, discrete Fourier transform, Z-transform, standard filters, infinite impulse response, and finite impulse response, filters.